This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you're having a super fantastic day. I do travel, photography, and RV reviews. In this short video, I take photographs both in color and in black and white. Actually, they're originally in color, and I process them and make them black and white. And they're not just color, they're HDR color. Coming up in a few seconds, I'll be driving down the road. These are some of my morning shots. We'll transition to what I shot in the afternoon. I'm driving down the road between my campsite and Douglas, Arizona. As I noted earlier, it just keeps on going. There's not much traffic. I just passed a guy up in a bicycle and a border patrol agent checking out, making sure I'm not illegal. It's about 19 miles to Douglas and 90 miles to Benson. The speed limit here is now dropped down to 55. Better change my speed because I do not want to get busted. I do not want to be thrown in the juzgado. So I'm now down to 55 miles an hour and I'm set. So it's beautiful scenery though. I really like the scenery here. If you want quiet and beautiful scenery, come on down to this part of Arizona, just pretty close to the New Mexico border. I really like it. I would recommend coming in a RV or a recreational vehicle that has a good heater and a good air conditioner during the middle of summer. Absolutely gorgeous mountain formations around here, everywhere, left and right, everywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna get back to driving. I saw this old single wide which houses a radio station in Douglas, Arizona. I had to take some pictures of that. And of course this old truck here loaded down with all kinds of goodies. I shot that in color and again modified it in Photoshop into black and white. At the border I saw this border patrol agent making sure nobody jumps over that fence. Of course if they did, they hit that barbed wire. Looks pretty painful. Here I am posing with my camera. Decided to take a couple pictures myself so you know who took those pictures. On the way back to my campsite, I saw this range of mountains and I decided let's try to see how it looks in panorama. I think I like it. Then pretty close to my campsite in Rodeo, New Mexico. Yes, Rodeo, New Mexico. I saw this old abandoned, it looked like to me abandoned, maybe it's still in use, playground, and I took quite a few photographs here. One of the things I really enjoy photographing is decaying infrastructure, and this looks decaying to me. Maybe it's in perfect tip-top shape to the folks in this community, but to me it looked pretty rough. Now I'm back at the campground taking some more HDR photos in color and of course black and white. What do you think of my photographs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I shot all these photographs on April 13th, 2019, and it's just a sampling, okay? My name is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I do travel, photography, and RV reviews. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.
Yeah.